Hi boys and girls, and today we have a special show. Izzy Wizzy has done 2 science projects for you guys, so sit back and enjoy the show.
Hi boys and girls, today we're gonna make the science project. What kind of project we gonna do today, Izzy Wizzy? We gonna make magic milk. We gonna lose milk, food coloring, and body wash in this pan.
Alright.
Hey boys and girls, can you tell me what color the body wash is? Red, purple, orange, green, and purple. I mean blue. We're gonna put the milk in the pan.
Alright.
We're gonna put the food coloring in the milk.
Alright.
Alright, what's the next color? What color is that? Okay. What is that color? What color is that? And what color is that? Purple. I'm gonna put the body wash in the milk.
Alright, go ahead. Wow. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
This is called magic milk.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You see the green there?
I see it. Isn't it cool?
Yeah. That looks like a rainbow.
Yeah, it do, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like a really, really cool rainbow.
really, really cool rainbow.
Wow.
It's so awesome.
Awesome.
Okay.
Whoa.
You see the purple?
Now it's turning really purple.
Yeah. I'll put another paper in there.
You want to do a paper in it? Okay, let's see if we could get a paper in there. Real easy, put the paper in there. See what happens.
It floats.
Oh, yeah, a little bit on there.
Mom, it floats.
It did.
Yeah.
This concludes episode 1. We got a little bit.
It's the IUYZ channel. It's the IUYZ channel. Look at the IUYZ channel. Hey boys and girls, we gonna make a science project. What are we doing now, IUYZ? We gonna loot the balloon. Baking soda, vinegar, food coloring. It goes to paper.
Alright, go ahead.
It's on my finger. You'll put the finger and what about be careful?
Alright, go ahead.
You're gonna put the food coloring in a water bottle.
Okay.
One, two.
Awesome. Ooh.
It's ready.
Yeah.
You're gonna We're gonna fill the balloon with baking soda.
Baking soda, okay. Alright. Alright, so now we're gonna stuff this in here like this. Since we don't have a funnel, just stick it in there. Then we're gonna put it around like that. And then here, you get the spoon and take a little bit and try to put some in there. Yeah. Okay, put some more in there.
It's a big one.
Yeah, okay.
It's a mess.
It's okay. We'll clean it up. Keep going.
It's a big one. It's a mess.
Alright, put some more in there.
It's a big one. Four. Hold on.
5.
I can feel it. It's too dark in there.
Okay.
Then we're gonna take the balloon out.
Okay. Let's see. Uh-oh. We got stuck. Oh, there you go. Okay.
Let's put it in there.
Now I'm gonna put this on top of here. Just like this. Hold on, not yet. Make sure it's on there really good.
Really good. It was stuck?
It was.
What? That's so funny. It's a mess on with right there too.
We'll clean it up.
It's on.
No. Let's try to get it on here good.
You're so funny.
There it goes. There it goes. Go.
Hold up the balloon. Whoa, hold the balloon. Wow.
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 Cool.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Wow. That's so awesome.
Yeah.
Cool.
What? It got stuck.
It got stuck.
Yeah. Uh-oh. It's stuck.
Wow, look at it. It's still kind of dark under there on the bottom.
Yeah. Let's take it out.
Hey, boom, 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 boom.
Let's take it out.
Want to take it off? Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me help you.
It's stuck. It's stuck on the bottom.
Let's see if we can tie it.
I do.
On my little fingers. Whoa! Whoa! Look at the balloon. And you made that with what did you make it with? Vinegar
Vinegar.
and baking soda.
Baking soda.
You made the balloon go boop.
Yeah.
Isn't it cool? Woo!
Oh.
Woo! Wow. Do that again, Izzy Wizzy. Wow. Whoa! Whoa! Is it science? Awesome!
Yeah!
Alright, Izzy Wizzy, tell everybody bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.